Hey guys, welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I prepared my ackee seasoned rice. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about Callie J's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1. And go ahead and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So here are the ingredients that I'm going to use for my ackee seasoned rice. Here I have my deboned saltfish. I also have some seasoning, and this one consists of onion, scallion, Scotch, bonnet pepper and garlic. I also have some seasoned shrimp. I also have some green peas, my cooked ackee, and guys, you can go ahead and use tin ackee if you have that. I also have my Kerrygold butter. I also have some all-purpose seasoning with black pepper, and of course I have my washed white rice. Just to note guys, I have two additional ingredients that I'm going to use, and that is coconut milk powder, and I also have my water. So as you guys can see, I added the Kerrygold butter to the pot that I'm going to cook my seasoned rice in, and we want that to melt a little. Then we're going to go ahead and add the seasoning, and again the seasoning consists of onion, Scotch, bonnet pepper. I also have garlic and scallion. All right, if you guys want to go ahead and add bell peppers, go ahead and add it. All right, and guys, just a little reminder, always try to be authentic, always try to be you when you're in the kitchen. Try to be creative as possible. And just to note, these ingredients are just estimated amount. If you guys want to go and add any other ingredients, or if you want to take off, then that's even better. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add the green peas, and I'm gonna combine both the green peas and the seasoning together. Then I'm gonna go in and add my deboned saltfish. Guys, always ensure that you remove all of the bone or the excess bone from your saltfish before you start cooking, because you don't want when anybody eating that bone cause any harm. All right, I'm gonna go in and also add my seasoned shrimp, and guys, the shrimp is optional. You don't have to add the shrimp any at all. All right, you can just go ahead and use a saltfish only, but for me, I want it to be a little bit different, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the shrimp. Now it's time to go ahead and add the cooked ackee, and I'm also gonna add the all-purpose seasoning and the black pepper. And of course we want to combine this together, but we want to ensure that we don't mash up our ackee, so you have to be real careful. All right, as I said before, I'm gonna add two additional ingredients, and as you can see, I just showed you guys the coconut milk powder. And guys, if you have real coconut milk that you want to use, go ahead and add that. All right, so now I'm going to go in and add my washed white rice. And again, guys, if you want to use brown rice, you can go ahead and add brown rice or substitute the brown rice for the white rice. And of course, you want to just combine once you add the rice, because you don't want all of that ackee and the shrimp and also the saltfish to settle at the bottom. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and leave this to come to a boil. Then I'm gonna come back and show you what it looks like. All right guys, so this is what my ackee seasoned rice looks like. So once it starts to cook down now, and I realize that it's almost finished cooking, I'm just gonna go ahead and add a piece of foil paper over the top of the rice, because I want it to be shelly, and also I want it to cook properly. I want it to steam. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add the foil paper over it and turn it down on the lowest heat possible. Then I'm gonna cover this. This takes roughly 7 to 10 minutes to cook. Then I'm going to come back and show you the final product. Alright guys, so this is the final product of my Ackee seasoned rice. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys share with your friends, tell your family members about Callie J's Kitchen, and I hope you guys already turn on that post notification bell. Remember to leave your suggestions in the comment box down below. Remember to tell me what you guys think about this recipe. Bye!